Hi guys, so today my package has arrived and this is from Revive Superfoods and I'm so excited to do an unboxing of this one because I really love to have smoothie in the morning. So let's start the unboxing. So from here I can tell that the goods inside are still frozen. They really covered it well. And the first thing that you get is the metal straw, which is very convenient and well, this is free. And then there's some advertisement or some recipes and you can that's the dry ice. Actually guys, when this package arrived like 2 hours ago, but until now it's still frozen. So first we got this piña colada, my favorite, coconut and pineapple. It's like piña colada, yeah. So that's how it looks like. And here's the clean and green. You can actually choose the flavors that you want. So I love pineapples and anything that has strawberries on it or papaya and avocado. So those are my favorite flavors. And I think this is gonna be my most favorite, pink dragon. It has strawberries, dragon fruit, blueberries, and kiwi. Look at that. And we have a total of 24 cups. So pretty, and they look so delicious and healthy. So now we're gonna try first the pink dragon. As what I've said, it's gonna be my favorite. So these are all organic and this must be so good. And so from here we're gonna open the plastic cover and then we're gonna add some milk or whatever liquid that you want to add, like coconut water, almond milk. It's really up to you. And then let it sit for a minute or two, and it depends on how frozen the fruits are. Okay, and then let's put it in the blender. And let's blend it.